Let's do a quick unboxing of Google Pixel 10 Pro. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside the box, what accessories do we get, and so on and so forth. So let's get right into it. Let's unpack our device. There we go. This is how the inside looks like after opening. So as you can see, we have our phone. We have a paper box over here where we can find the SIM eject tool, and I believe the manual over here. There we go, and here is our phone with the USB-C cable. So here we can find the USB-C cable, unfortunately no charger or power adapter. And now let's unpack our phone. There we go, and here it is. This is how the phone looks like. Now at the top we have the microphone and the SIM tray. On the right side we have our power button and volume buttons, and at the bottom we can find a speaker with the USB-C port, and this is how the back looks like. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.